be off the chain. That means like off the world.
It's me.
It's me.
Gabe Tube TV, come on, come on. Gabe Tube TV, come turn us on. A kid who has big dreams and ADHD. He gets so extreme and a little crazy. A doctor for a dad and a singer for a mom. A crazy funny kid, so what could go wrong? Gabe Tube TV, come on, come on. Gabe Tube TV, come turn us on. Yeah!
Hey, I'm Gabe.
And I'm Papa Doc.
And welcome back to
Gabe Tube TV. If it's your first time here, welcome. And family fun activities.
Remember to
watch more.
Fun videos.
And remember to smash that subscribe button.
Hit that bell notification so you don't miss a thing. And today on Gabe Tube TV, we're reviewing the Airhogs FPV high-speed race car.
So Airhogs FPV high-speed race car puts you in the driver's seat with virtual reality goggles.
What?
Virtual reality goggles.
What?
Virtual reality goggles.
That's amazing!
So we've had lots of fun with the Spin Master Airhogs line of remote control vehicles, not the least of which includes the Robotrax as well as the Thundertrax, one of our personal favorites. So this vehicle, in addition to streaming live video directly to your goggles, is also known for its scale speed up to 160 miles per hour.
It has a 120-degree field of view. It has front and rear LED lights. And it also has crash-resistant bumpers,
which is very important when it comes to Gabe's vehicle operational skills. So the goggles have adjustable straps, and remember, a smartphone, which is not included, is required for operation of the FPV mode, first person video mode. So the Airhogs FPV high-speed race car is recommended for ages 8 and up. Retails for about $99.99.
Hey!
Another thing to remember is that this baby is engineered for safety, and it does have crash-resistant bumpers. The other thing to remember is that this operates on a 2.4 gigahertz frequency, which means you have a longer range of control, and it also means that you can operate multiple vehicles at the same time.
Now let's open this baby up!
Actually, it is pretty high quality. As always, looks like Airhogs has outdone themselves.
I like it.
The quality of the build seemed to be second to none. So in the box contains one FPV race car, one controller, one USB cable, one instruction guide, and one FPV headset.
Which I have on my head. And I can do this.
Plug the USB charger into the charge port. Plug the other end into the vehicle. The LED lights come on to indicate that it's charging. When the lights go off, that means the charge is complete. The remote controller requires two AAA batteries, which does not require a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the covering. You can use a pin, press in, maybe, and dislodge the covering. Download the app to your Android or your Apple phone.
Or iPhone.
Launch the app.
Take this off.
So, and you follow the instructions from there. Turn on your car by sliding the switch to the on position on the bottom. Then you place the car on the flat surface. Next, push the button on the controller to turn it on. To connect your phone to the car, tap the blue button to go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Then select the Airhogs race car and tap to connect. So it says get to know your controller and your car before moving to first person view mode. This is the record button. Move the left stick forward to go forward and backward. Move the right stick left to turn left, right to turn right. The button on the right is the photo button. You are now in the cockpit and seeing what the car sees. Push the mixed video button on your controller to enter mixed video mode, which uses your phone's camera view. So next you put your phone into the FPV headset, and when you're ready to drive, press the voice video button on your controller, which is this button here. Congratulations, now you get to see. It's me!
It's me!
We got the live video streaming to the virtual reality goggles, and we're ready to test this baby out. Oh look, boys and girls, it's a new bright dash cam rock crawler. Hey, how's it going? Oh, you want to race? Uh-oh. Looks like it's on, boys and girls. But before we get started, make sure you check out Gabe's review of the new bright rock crawler dash cam. And after we finish reviewing the Airhogs, then it's off to the races. So we hope you enjoyed our video of the Airhogs FPV high-speed race car. It was amazing. The quality was high, control response was great. So make sure you watch more and you comment down below to let us know more of what it is you like to see.
Right here on
Gabe Tube TV!
We out of here. Hi, I'm Gabe, and you've been watching Gabe Tube TV! If you want to keep up with the videos we're putting out, just click on the subscribe button below. If you want to see more toy reviews for kids, funny videos, family fun for everyone, click on the list beside me, okay? For more Gabe Tube TV! So guys, high five!